Director Mostofa Farooki's No Land's Man will premiere at the Cairo International Film Festival. Farooki shared this news on his Facebook. Oscar-winning music composer A.R. Rahman and Nawazuddin Siddiqui will be present. The Cairo International Film Festival is the oldest film event in the Middle East. It will screen 98 movies from 63 countries this year. The festival will run from 26 November to 5 December. The film has also been nominated for an award at the Busan Film Festival. Nawazuddin Siddiqui plays the main character. The film also features Bangladeshi actor Hassan Khan and Australian actress Megan Michelle. No Land's Man was shot in the US, Australia, and India. Because of this, it is mostly in English language, with some dialogue in Hindi. The film shows the journey of a South Asian man whose life gets complicated when he meets an Australian girl. On Facebook, director Farooki shared a picture revealing Siddiqui's first look. He said that he started working on the script for No Land's Man 10 years ago. He faced many difficulties and could not get funding. After rewriting the script many times, he finally got funding and finished his film.